Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. So today we will be studying Lofted Boser Base. To reference geometry, select plane because we want 2 or 3 more planes above a top plane. Okay, 40 millimeters above this is good. And another one which I need 40 millimeters above this plane. Okay, but for the first plane I need some modification. I want it 50 millimeters above. Okay, that's good. Now select sketching, the top plane. I want a rectangular box over here, that big. Okay, now get out of the sketch. Now select the middle plane, which is this one, and hit the sketch button. Now what I need to do, I need to create some hip or a bit bigger, which is 25 will be good, I think. Yep. So now I'll get out of the sketch, and now you need to select this plane and select the sketch on it, and again a rectangular box over here. This time this much big, it will be good. Okay, get out of the sketch. Now what I need to do, I need to hide these both planes, or select just simple for me. Oh man, I have hidden everything. Hide this and hide this one. Now lofted Boser base, this, then this, and then this one. Okay, it's a bit twisted, but when I move it around here and this bit around here, it looks a bit good. Okay, this was all about my shape that I have just created. Okay, this is simple lofted command. If you want some thin feature over here, you can draw. If you want a whole body, and what is the center line parameter, and the other one, the guide curves, we'll just study it. Okay, now this one is one of our sketch that we have just created. Now another one, let's go to another one and select front plane, this, yep. Now here. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to just draw a line, a reference line here to here and to here. Oh man, to here is good. Now this should be 40. Good. Let's increase this a bit. 19, so make it 30. Okay, and this one big, and it 150, it will be good. Okay, so now let's just create our sketch, but before that let's make them both what it's like that. 1 second, I am drawing this reference line, not this and this. Be coincident. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to select a top plane. First get out of the sketch. I want to draw some shapes over here, select top plane here, and now a rectangular over here like this one. And another thing is that now I will need to create another plan, reference geometry plan. Select this line, select this point, make it perpendicular. Now select this one and sketch on it. Okay, I need a rectangular sketch and a rectangular profile of like this. That will be good. Get out of the sketch and hide this one. Now what I'll need to do, I'll need to Lofted boss or base. Select both of the sketches, this one and this one. Okay, make this here so that it will be regular. Now center line parameter here, the shape is like this. So if you want a thin feature, you can add it to it. If you don't need, so okay. Start and end constraint. So it actually matters when you have something geometry here and here, so it adds something. Okay, now again, if you want some guide curves, so go to the front plane over here. But first I need to delete this loft. Delete this loft. Now I need to draw some guide curves. Select a spline, and I want to start it from here. Okay, let's just delete this one. No, select a spline. Okay, I'll just wait a minute. Not this one, in fact this one. Yeah, I want to delete this line first. Okay, yeah, it's good. Now select front plane. Good. And some spline. There's some rough splines here. Over here to here. Select. Now this one. Let's draw some lines from here to here, from here and here, and now this one. Select. Now go to Lofted Bezier boss. Okay. Now this, select this both shapes, make sure it will not twist. Now this is my one guide curve, this is the other guide curve. Okay, the both are my guide curves. Now you can check, you cannot check that how can you use guide curves while creating some shapes. I have used this guide curve and created this shape. So basically I have used all these commands that is important in creating any shape, lofted cut, so center line and simple loft, then a center line loft, and then I've used some this color is good. You can give any material. For example, I'm selecting any material. Yep. So anneal steel is good, just for showing that it can make any. Okay, now these are the shapes that I had made with Lofted commands. I hope you'd like it. Please like and share our video with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.